Filthy rich! How much will 10 million Shiba Inu coin be worth by 2030? As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, with the emergence of the NFT trend and the growing dominance of DeFi, perhaps one of the more unexpected developments is the unlikely success of meme coins, particularly Shiba Inu. Today we're going to talk all about how much Shiba Inu coin will be worth in 2030. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 28th of June, shall we? Analyzing the movement of the Shib price on the daily time frame, you can see a clear fall channel in which the price moves from October 2021. Sellers have tested the lower trend line of the fall channel 3 times and are now fighting for its middle line. Now buying Shib is quite dangerous because the price can easily fall by 20 to 30% down. The daily time frame confirms the importance of the 85 millionths of a dollar mark. However, a stop order for such a medium-term investment should be placed in anticipation of updating the local low. The fact is that until the price is fixed above the mark of 13 millionths of a dollar, it is too early to talk about a trend reversal. Below the mark of 650 10 millionths of a dollar, the Shib price should not fall. In the case of gaining a large long-term position in this range, it's worth buying Shib if buyers allow the price to reach such low levels. In this case, the average investment price will be about 72 millionths of a dollar. The minimum growth target of long-term investment is 2 100,000ths of a dollar. This growth will not disrupt the structure of the downward trend. Now let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu came into being following the release of a white paper by the pseudonymous Ryoshi, who made no secret of the fact that the new token would be a Doge killer. Of course, the Shiba Inu dog is the symbol of Doge, so there's little hiding the fact that Shib was going to be a rival to the original meme coin. Whilst Shiba will probably always be compared to Dogecoin, it has actually surpassed its predecessor in many ways. The Shiba web presence itself looks great and features branding that will almost definitely strike a chord with younger crypto enthusiasts. But in addition to this, the developers behind the project have already demonstrated their willingness to innovate, being an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it a far more versatile token than Doge and much easier to incorporate into many of the leading DeFi projects. Whereas Dogecoin is limited to being a simple means of value exchange, Shiba has quickly expanded to offer a great deal more. As such, the project has much more long-term viability and can compete in areas in which Dogecoin simply cannot hope to tread. Looking at Shiba's recent price performance. Shiba Inu is a relatively new token, having been created in August 2020, so it doesn't have much price history to look back on. One of the things that's worth noting about the token is it's intentionally low-priced and available in abundance, to ensure it remains a viable payment method as opposed to simply a long-term investment. And when we say low, we mean low. The token started life trading as low as 939 hundred-billionths of a dollar and hasn't made it as high as a whole unit of the US currency at any point in its existence. However, when dealing with such small numbers, it's easy to miss just how well Shib has performed at certain times. For example, when the token reached a high of 379 10 millionths of a dollar in May 2021, this actually represented an increase of 140,000 times on its price just 8 months earlier. Then 5 months later, Shiba Inu reached its all-time high of 88 millionths of a dollar, and it is the increase that matters to investors after all. What's next? Shiba price predictions for 2025. The cryptocurrency industry and investors may still be a little uncertain as to the future of meme coins at this stage, but it certainly appears as though Shiba is taking steps to establish itself as a credible project. So what do analysts make of its chances? Digital coin price is expecting steady growth for Shiba price over the next few years. It's expected to reach a price of 107 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2022. Growth is then expected to remain steady across 2023 and 2024, before Shiba gets to a high of 1,800 thousandths of a dollar by the end of 2025. Elsewhere, Trading Beasts, often more reserved in its forecasts, is predicting that Shib price will fluctuate between 88 millionths of a dollar and 13 100,000ths of a dollar in the next 3 years. Finally, Wallet Investor also sees Shib making some solid gains in the next few years. According to its technical analysis, the Shiba token will hit 98 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2022. By the end of 2024, Shib is expected to average around 143 millionths of a dollar and 166 millionths of a dollar in 2025. How much will Shiba be worth in 5 years? Based on Shiba projections from Digital Coin Price, the Shib coin price is expected to cross the 2 ten-thousandths of a dollar mark in 2027. According to the Shiba price prediction offered by Wallet Investor, Shiba is set to rise to 185 millionths of a dollar by the end of 2027. Despite Shib having only traded for around a year, there are some long-term price predictions for the coin. Of course, these should be taken with a pinch of salt, given how quickly things change in the cryptocurrency industry, but they're a good indication of how seriously analysts are taking meme coins. Digital Coin Price, for example, expects Shib to continue its upward trajectory after 2025. According to its forecast, the Shib coin will get to 27 hundred-thousandths of a dollar in 7 years, representing a growth of 380%. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast has put out the most optimistic Shiba price prediction yet. According to the platform, Shib will continue climbing year on year. For 2030, Shiba could be trading at a potential year-end high of 2,736 millionths of a dollar, almost 4,650% higher than today's price. Should you invest in Shiba? The reality is whether or not Shiba will be a good investment remains to be seen. As mentioned above, the Shib token has numerous advantages over Dogecoin, which is something of a one-trick pony and is only really held up by notoriety. But whether its additional features are enough to rival the more serious projects is another matter. Shiba certainly has potential. It has the branding and pop culture appeal that has worked for other tokens in the past. It also appears that the developers behind the project are committed to expanding into the world of DeFi, which is certainly an interesting concept. All things considered, Shiba is certainly a worthy addition to any cryptocurrency investment portfolio, and presents an alternative to the major tokens, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, in that it is effectively competing in a different space. If you are yet to invest in any crypto payment projects, then Shiba is certainly worthy of consideration. Of course, you should research all of your options before committing, but we think that it will continue to be one of the most important projects in the space, and the price of Shib looks set to grow in the coming years. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!